In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Scrum in Jira, a tutorial for 2025 that will take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right into it. First off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Atlassian website. This is the hub for software, IT, and business teams to collaborate, so we'll be using it to get started with Jira today. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for today's purposes, we're assuming you're already a member. After signing in, let's head straight to the Jira homepage. You'll find this by following the dashboard links. Once you're on the Jira home, look for the Project tab. Click on that to access your existing projects or to start a new one. For this tutorial, we're going to create a new project, so once you're in the Project section, find and click on Create Project. With the project creation interface open, you'll see several options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Software Development. This will ensure that all the necessary tools and templates are available for you. After selecting Software Development, it's time to choose the specific framework we'll be working within. Scrum. Scrum is particularly useful for managing tasks and progress in iterations, known as sprints. Once you've clicked on Scrum, the system may prompt you to select or customize features according to your needs, but for now, we'll keep it simple. All you need to do next is click on Use Template. This will apply a set of default configurations that are designed to help teams effectively collaborate using Scrum methodology. By using this template, you're ensuring that your project is set up with the most efficient features for Scrum work, like backlog management and sprint planning. And there you have it. You've set up a Scrum project in Jira. This process is a powerful way to keep your team organized and on track. From here, you can add tasks to your Scrum backlog, prioritize them, and start your first sprint. Remember, the beauty of using Jira with Scrum lies in its ability to track progress seamlessly, so don't forget to regularly update your tasks and communicate with your team members. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy project managing!